Hello everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make spaghetti and meatballs. I'm going to start off by making the meatballs. I have 1 pound of ground beef and 2 Italian sausage links. I'm going to add half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs and 2 eggs. My seasonings and some minced garlic. I'm going to mix all this together, and for my meatballs, now I'm sauteing them to hold in the flavor, and I'm going to finish cooking these off in the oven for 10 minutes. While my meatballs are finished cooking in the oven, I'm going to get started by making the sauce. I'm going to add some olive oil to my pan, some garlic and some red pepper flakes. Saute this good for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add my can of crushed tomatoes. I'm going to stir this for a few minutes. And then I'm going to be adding my seasonings. I have salt, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and sugar. And go ahead and mix this all together. I'm going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes on low heat, covered. Now my meatballs are ready and it's time to start plating. I'm going to add my cooked pasta. Add some of the spaghetti sauce. Adding 2 meatballs. And top it off with some more sauce. And a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And that's it, it's ready. The spaghetti and meatballs, homemade, way better than jar pasta or those frozen meatballs you get from the store. So quick and easy to make. Let me cut one of the meatballs open so you can see that it cooked all the way. So it's fully cooked and it's nice and juicy. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Have a good day.